Hello, everybody. I hope you are doing well. This is Mr. Solis. Um, I'm also a coach here at South Belton Middle School. I'm coming starting up my second year, my first year coaching. I'm excited for a great year. A little bit about myself. Um, I taught math. I actually live in McGregor, so I have to commute in, which is not bad. I enjoy the time to get ready, think about everything I do, and how I can best meet the needs of my students. So I'm lucky to have your. I'm very lucky to have your students, and I'm hoping to see them grow in my class. Um, Moving forward, so anything with athletics and anything, you can contact Sylvia Fowler and get with her. Anything, we have a BISD page, so you can check out the information on there. We're pretty good about uploading everything on there. So for here, I'm gonna talk about my math classroom, a couple of ways to contact me, what a day might look like in my classroom, and let's see what we got. All right, so we have usually when your child comes into my classroom, I like a little warm up, usually a small activity, get them thinking about math and what the day has in store for us. With the 100 block period this year, it's a little bit different. It's a lot of time in the classroom, so I'll always schedule at least a 5-minute break in there. I think that's important to give the kids a break from that computer screen. I usually have some community building thing, questions, fun things that we talk about to build up a good classroom climate, so your kids feel safe and sharing and know who their classmates are. Important things, my remote learners, when you must check in Schoology by completing the Google form labeled at home check-in. This is a way for me to track the attendance. So in case you're not able to get on at the time, I can at least go back and see at what time you were able to access my course. All right, for my classroom, there isn't much that you're gonna need. You're gonna need for sure a notebook because I like the old school way of taking notes in your notebook. The good thing is you get to carry that. We're not sharing anything, so make sure you have also something to write with. The platform that we use here at South Belton is Schoology. It's kind of like a filing cabinet. That's where we put everything into, all right? So your students, our students should know how to do it. And if your child is having a hard time, let us know so we can get them the help. So students' assignments will usually be will be in Schoology, but we're gonna be using Kami. They're familiar with it. They've used it in multiple classes, but like I said, if anything's coming up, please notify us so we can get them the help they need. My lessons are gonna be on the platform of Nearpod because we could access it through Schoology, so it's easy to get through. We're all in one place, and also it's a good way for them to interact. So grades. In my classroom, there's 3 major grades per 9 weeks. That's actually a district rule. So things that get graded as counted as major are tests, quizzes, projects, and certain things that we put in their math notebook. Minor grades. So we have 6 of those per 9 weeks, and usually it's classwork and activities. With math, I know many of us struggle in there, and it's hard for us, especially in 6th grade, since we're getting a bunch of new content thrown at us. So one of the things make sure I always give my students enough time to correct assignments and test. My contact information is elmer.solis@BISD. My telephone number is 215-3055. My conference time is from 1:10 to 2:50 on A days. My remind codes for my classes are down there below. Like I said, for anything that you may need or you feel that your child needs help with, please reach out to me so I can get them the help. I'm excited for this year, and I hope you are as well, and we're going to have a great year here at South Belton.